Hi, in today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 of the best-selling new home construction communities in Summerlin. And if you're 50 plus and wondering where you should be buying this year in 2026, well, let's get started right now. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer Graff, and I am a longtime realtor and longtime resident here in Summerlin, and I have seen it all, and I'm telling you, these 3 communities are definitely something you want to be watching, especially if you're 50 plus. Now, Summerlin West continues to be one of the most popular areas for new construction, and with good reason. We have up here Grand Park, which is one of the newest villages with a 92-acre park, and pretty much every builder is out here, but some of those builders are doing it a little bit better than others. Today, we are at our first stop. We are at the community of Pulte, Brantley. So let me get into this and tell you why Pulte Brantley is on my list. One of the reasons why Pulte's Brantley community up here in Grand Park really did hit it out of the ballpark with what they're building up here is they took 9 of their most popular floor plans around the valley and put them all in one place. And not only that, what I really love about what Pulte did here at Brantley is with all 9 of these different floor plans, they really took the time to build them kind of different places. So for example, we are standing in the Parklane model, one of my favorites and one of Pulte's favorites, and I have buyers that have purchased this floor plan all over our valley, including Ascension. This is about just over 2,400 square feet. You can see how beautifully it's laid out. And with, again, Pulte Brantley, if you're interested in a single story, if you're interested in a 2-story or even a really large 2-story home, they have it all here at Pulte's Brantley community. Not only do they have all 9 floor plans, they truly price them competitively for the market that we are currently in. You have homes here starting in base prices in the 800,000 and 900,000 mark. You will comfortably be spending over $1 million once you put your lot premium in. And of course, once you finish out your beautiful home, you are more than likely going to be spending about 20% of the base price on your upgrades. But again, when we talk about new construction here in Grand Park and we compare what many of the builders are doing right now, this particular community has been very popular with a lot of people that already live in the Las Vegas Valley and with out-of-state new home buyers. Also, something very important that I've been talking to a lot of my new home buyers about recently, and that is how things age. Well, we all think about aging, right? But now you really want to think about how a community actually ages. So one of the things that I really like to talk about with a lot of my new construction buyers is not only what the models look like, not only what your home site looks like, but really what the anticipation is going to look like 3, 5, and even 10 years from now. And one of the reasons why I think Pulte's Brantley is truly a standout is because they have so many different floor plans being built here, because they've really stacked the different streets and part of the neighborhood into different sections. You're really going to have a neighborhood that is not homogeneous. Not every house is going to look exactly alike. They have some beautiful cut into the mountain here as well. We're going to show you some of the exposed rock formations they actually have here in the community. And that really tells me that this community is not only popular right now, but really will continue to be years into the future. We are still here at Pulte Brantley, and I just wanted to come in and mention it is Sunday morning. I have worked in new home construction steadily for years, and Sunday mornings are normally super quiet, especially, it is still, well, it's March 1st, I guess. But you can see there are so many cars parked here. It is not even 11 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday. And again, this place is really, has really hit it again out of the ballpark as far as what buyers are looking for. Now, if you are looking for something a little less expensive, perhaps you're 50 plus and looking for something that isn't $1 million plus, well, then we have something for you. We're going to go to the next stop now. And again, this is all about 3 top neighborhoods for 50 plus buyers, and we're moving on to the next one. Number 2 on my list. Now, if you want to be in 89138, if you want to be in Grand Park, Summerlin, but maybe it's lock and leave, maybe you don't want to spend over $1 million. Well, here at KB's Caldwell Park, they have townhomes and they have single family homes, all comfortably under $1 million. Okay, you want to talk about comfortably under $1 million? Well, how about under just about 500,000? And I just met with the sales agent. We are actually over at the townhome section of Caldwell Park. Imagine having all the beautiful amenities all about Grand Park, where there are several different builders all building multi-million-dollar product out here. But if you want something lock and leave, if you'd like to stay in the $500,000 range, well, there's a lot of people out here already, because the sales agent just told me that since January 1st, it is only the beginning of March, they've already sold 25 townhomes in that amount of time. And right now, with the market as soft as it is, that is really a number to pay attention to. Okay, we are in the 1809 square foot townhome here at KB's Caldwell Park. I have done several videos at a lot of these communities, but if you were interested in more about specifically Caldwell Park, I'm going to put the picture here and a link down below to the Caldwell Park video that I did over the summer if you'd like more details specifically about this community. But as we can see, again, it is Sunday and it is absolutely bumping out here. It seems like we're already into the spring buying season. There are people really out early on a Sunday, already taking a look at some of the best deals that you can find right now in Grand Park. Again, we've hit 2 of them so far. We talked about Pulte Brantley. If you're looking for a large single story, if you're looking for a 2-story, you can spend over $1 million. If you'd like something to be in really ultimately the same neighborhood here in Grand Park, Summerlin, and be comfortably under $1 million, let's even talk about being in the low to mid 500s, well, then here at KB's Caldwell Park, you can buy ideally one of these townhome products, or they have the single family homes across the street. Those are actually selling very well too. I do have a buyer currently that is actually on a wait list lottery, yes, a lottery, to get one of the larger home sites with the full-size driveway here at KB's Caldwell Park. Again, over 50, looking for lock and leave. Here at KB Caldwell, this is a great option for you. We've got one more to show you, and I'm excited to get to the next one. Number 3 on my list, and I'm bringing this one up because it's actually not open yet. We are pretty much still at dirt, but this is one of the hottest talked about communities that is coming soon here to La Madre Peaks here in Summerlin. Now, while this community by Taylor Morrison, Esplanade, is not 55 and over active adult, it is going to be resort style living. It is going to be gated and is going to have an incredible wealth of amenities, and it's going to be a completely single story community. Prices are going to start in the 800,000s, and square footages are going to range all the way from the smaller side, if you're looking for about 1,600 square feet, all the way up to about 3,000 square feet. And I'm here with my videographer, and I am wearing heels, of course, but I wish kind of quickly show you, it is absolutely stunning up here. We are really up at the top of Lake Mead and Calico Basin, and let's take a look. So if you're interested in amenities like none other, because again, Esplanade is going to have a restaurant, there's going to be a resort style pool, there's going to be a fitness center, we don't want to get hit by the car. There's going to be so much out here that is really going to appeal specifically to an active adult 55 plus buyer, but it's not all active adult. So you can kind of see right here, they're already building the clubhouse. They're already starting to build this out. They are expected to start sales later this year. So this is really my number 3 on my list for great communities. If you are 50 plus and you want to be in 89138, you want new construction, Esplanade is definitely something worth checking out. Okay, what I love is they've already released some of the floor plan names. So you have Tiki and Mojita and Sangria and Capri. I mean, come on, these names are amazing. All the way up to the largest floor plan, which is what, you guys? It is the Sinatra, of course. So the Tiki floor plan is their smallest, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Actually, it's under 1,600 square feet. It's about 1,569 square feet. Looking for something larger, the Riviera is going to be 2,600 square feet. But of course, if you're looking for something really big, ultimately it's going to be the Sinatra, right? That is over 3,000 square feet, 3 to 5 bedrooms with that coveted 4-car garage. Okay, so today we covered the three most talked about, really ultimately the best communities if you are 50 plus, if you're thinking new construction, if you're thinking about being in Summerlin. Number one was Pulte Brantley community. Absolutely, I've said that it's a great community if you're looking to be in that $1 million plus range. If you're looking for lock and leave, if you're looking also for Grand Park, but want to stay comfortably in the 500,000s, well, KB Caldwell Park is ultimately a great choice for you. If you're looking for resort style living, if you're looking for luxury, if you're really looking to be at the height, I mean, right now, I don't know if you can tell, but we have some incredible views out here. Here at Taylor Morrison's Esplanade, the interest list is forming now, so I highly suggest let's get on a call and talk about how to make you a homeowner here at Taylor Morrison Esplanade. If you'd like more information about any of the communities we talked about today, again, you can find them in my Vegas Confidential blog at jennifergraffrealtor.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video today. We truly appreciate it. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.